Hello and welcome to another quick trial from Epos. Today I'm going to show you how to download the trial part of the software and get it onto one of your Windows-based computers. So, firstly, what we do is we go to a website, and the website is trial.mypremiryepos.co.uk. And then all you need to do, you just need to fill out some details in here. So, I shall put a few in here. So I've got a test account, got that one, mobile number, company name, and my postcode as well. There's also a voucher code. If you ever received a voucher code off one of our sales team, you can pop that in there as well for an increased actual trial time. So what we'll do, now I've put out all my details here, all I need to do is click on download. And there we go, this is the first thing we get hold of now. So we have, congratulations, you received your first trial key. So you can obviously press the play button there and actually watch a little trial demo. But obviously, that is the most important thing right there. You'd receive a text message and an email as well regarding obviously this same information as well, and that you've signed up. So I'll click on download software, and then you download an epos-setup.exe. Depending on your internet connection, it can take up to a minute to 5 minutes. So bear with it, and it'll get itself downloaded. And there you go, it's downloaded. So we'll have a click on that. We can minimize this now as well. If this does pop up, it means obviously it's just that Windows doesn't recognize this exe. So all you need to do is click on more info and run anyway. As you can see, it's Epos setup there. So run anyway. Now it's going to ask you to enter your actual key that you received either on your text message, on your email, or it's the same one right here. So what we'll do, we'll click on that. It's now copied. Minimize that, and we'll paste that in like so. And we go to next. Terms and conditions, have a little read of them, then accept. Yeah, we'll create a shortcut for it. Go to next, and click on install. When this has popped up, the SQL installation program, just a word of warning, just make sure you've got all your Windows updates completed. This uses the same system for Windows updates, so if you've got any pending Windows updates, you have to get them through first, because sometimes this might not install. So all you need to do is restart the actual computer itself, and then obviously then you can reinstall the actual Epos setup file as well afterwards, and it will continue to go through and reinstall it through. And there you have it. You need to do a quick little restart, but at this moment in time we won't, so we'll click on no and go to finish. Okay, and there you have it. So what happens next is we actually double click on the Premier Epos logo. You're presented with this information here now. So all you have to do is fill out, there's just the little extra little finer details. So what we'll do is I shall move this postcode over here, give me a company address line. Right, give yourself a password. Password has got to be at least 8 characters, one with a number in it, one with lowercase, and one is an uppercase and a special character as well. This is to access your online portal. And there you have it. Once all those details are put in, we'll click on confirm. Oh, I need to put the company landline in, so it will warn you. Click on confirm. Okay, now this then will then pop up after you put those details in. Select which store type you want to do. So these are all the different databases you can download. So for this particular one, I'm going to click on the vape store, for example. And it sets for a default print as well. You don't have to change that now, but if you do have a printer plugged in, you can set it to that as well. So we'll click on confirm. And then now what it's doing will be actually installing that Playground database. Okay, now that's been installed, we can now double click on the Premier Epos logo again. Now the key management system then pops up. You receive the trial, so we'll click on trial. Click on yes for that one. What it'll do now, it'll do an actual update to make sure you have the latest version of Premier Epos installed on your system. So this is the final download that requires now. And there you go, fully installed there now. So feel free to have a play around. If you do have any more questions or anything regarding the actual software, if you want to book in a training session, please feel free to contact our support line, or you can obviously email us as well, and we can obviously book you in for any sort of form of training. So I do hope that's been useful. Thank you very much for watching. Take care. Check you out next time. See you now.